Hey, it's Paul, and we're coming to you from my home base. It's all about the unboxing. All right. Drum roll, please. Well, looks like we gotta have the obligatory huge bubble wrap. Not as much fun as the small ones, but... And of course, with the way our world is, we gotta have over packaging. So, in the big box comes a small box. So let's see what's in the small box. So it's the Getu or Gitu power bank, mobile BG140. So in the top, looks like we got the battery here. So let's get this all out. And so it comes in this plastic, and looks like it's got some charge already, as it's telling me. It looks like it's 89% charged. Looks like on the side we have a power button. On this side there is a port of some sort that we will look at. On the top, got two USB ports and a yellow light. And nothing on the bottom, just some nice chrome. Inside, looks like we have owner's manual, or a manual tell us how to work this. Okay, comes with a cord of some sort. It's got a USB port side and the mini power adapter, mini plug. Okay, have no clue what this is. But again, it's got the USB side, and then, I don't know, a light. Kind of looks like a thermometer thing, so we'll have to read about that. And with anything, we've got to have the obligatory carrying case. So let's see if we can figure out how to get this to work. Of course, it's got to be in multiple languages. So it looks like Italian, Spanish, Japanese. Ah, love it. English for UK, the US, Canada, German, French, Japanese, Italian, Spanish. Alright. Let's see. Yep. That button there, just like I said, power button. Saying it's a USB output. Oh! That light there. Ha! Nice. Is a built-in flashlight. And then, of course, got the other USB port. Now, number 5 is the... on the other side, the micro USB port. And 6, like I said, 6 is the LED power display. Turn off your LED, on off your LED light. Press the power button twice rapidly to turn off the LED light. Oh, like that. Sweet. It says enjoy your free gift. Insert the USB light into the USB port. It will turn on automatically. If not, press the power button. Is that what this is? Ha ha! It's a flashlight. Ha ha! Neat. Oh. Okay, hang on. That's my free gift. Stand by. Gotta figure out how to turn that bad boy off. I think it told me and I just forgot. Because I got so excited. Put your power... Okay. Turn on, turn off. Press the power button twice to turn off on your light. Oh, off. Ah! Okay. Sweet!